What is the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another POV. We are finally in the M5 ski bag. We've been in the other car, the G87 M2, but today we are in the M5. It's about time we pop out air duct vents, carbon fiber hood, the carbon fiber side skirts. It's like carbon fiber galore. I love carbon fiber, bro. I do want to get the carbon fenders, but I don't know how they're gonna look on this car and how the fitment gonna be. So we might get them, we might not. There's still so much more to come with this car, man. We got the carbon fiber diffuser back here. I don't rock the spoiler. I just, me personally, don't like it. But anyways, man, this is my 2023 M5 comp, bro. This thing is insane. We about to go ahead and go get some breakfast. Your boy has not ate all day, bro. Literally all day. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go get some breakfast. Check tire pressure. Don't worry about my tire pressure. You ain't driving? Oh wait, why I say low? Oh, my back tire at 31. It'll be all right, y'all. It'll be all right. It's getting cold outside and I never changed it, so I already know that's probably what it is. I already got the place. Let me see where it's at. I guess CarPlay don't want to work today, but it is what it is. We're going here. Oh, there you go. CarPlay. Boom. All right, let's go get some freaking breakfast, y'all. This place I'm about to go to, it's called Gut Busters. I'm not gonna lie, it's in the hood, so you got to keep your head on the swivel where we about to go. But y'all already know Ted's good. Ted's is good, covered by the blood of Jesus Christ. So we straight. Let me turn that traction off too. Oh, damn, you maxed it, dog. I just be trying to drive like a calm civilian, and they don't want to let me do that. They want me to drive crazy. I don't want to drive crazy. I want to drive like a normal human being. That's what I want to do. Man, I know y'all missed the M5. Y'all, I'm also thinking about getting rid of the steering wheel and putting the CS steering wheel in here. Tell me what y'all think about that. I like this steering wheel. It's cool. But we don't really do night POV, so it doesn't really, like, I don't know. But I would just get the CS style steering wheel. And plus, this Alcantara is starting to fade real bad. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is that a stroller? Oh, that's somebody's car. And they just left it on the curb. Hey, the tow trucks out. The tow trucks in Atlanta are so lazy, bro. If you tow a car, you have to take all the damaged parts. Wow. Let's get on this highway. My tire's not warmed up though, so I can't go too crazy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, stay still, A1 driving school. Merge on the highway right there. Now that's how you merge on the highway right there. Oh my freaking goodness, dude. I hate being on the highway. It's like, it's maxed. I don't know. I hate the highway. I like back roads. You know we gotta get a back road session in. Go. Damn, I'm about to hit it from the light too, I ain't gonna lie. Why are you just sitting right there? That gotta be like cheating or something. Is this, like, are they doing something or they just sitting there? Lights on, nobody's home. This place we're going is called Gut Busters. And it sound just how it sound, because bro, watch what bro. Nice, no blinker. Oh, that was a cop. Oh, I ain't even mean to verbal. I ain't even mean to eat you. I guess they're about to go down because they got cops stationed. Oh no. Oh yeah, probably a funeral. Makes sense. R.I.P. Alright, y'all, it's right here. This boy is it's in the hood now. Don't judge a book by its cover though. Y'all know the hole in the wall spots really be the best. And this hole, that boy is jumping. That boy jumping like Mike. Hey, yeah. Bro, this parking lot is so small. Every move count. Every single move counting smaller. I do have driver mod though, as y'all know. Alright, I gotta be on my P's and Q's, so I low-key can't take the camera in here. Just in case. But we eating that gut busters real quick. Hold on. BRB. We got the food, we got the drink. This the famous lemonade, the fruit punchy. You know what I'm saying? But this ain't food you could just eat in the car. You know what I'm saying? You gotta sit down and eat some gut busters. Bro, I cannot wait for y'all to see this food, bro. This food was finna smack. Oh, and I smell it already. I did. Alright, trolling. And I'll be shifting early. Oh, he wanted to get over? Yeah, I don't know what you thought this was, twin. He thought he put his hand out like I was gonna stop. Bro, can I get this on this? I hate when it's on the, there you go. Oh, this where all the homeless people be sleeping. Like at nighttime, and I be coming through here like booming it. This car is insane. This car is literally insane, bro. First we go. First, hold on. First we go shrimp and grits. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Then we go beef, not pork, and potatoes. I'm about to crowd my mouth water, y'all. I'll tap back in. All right, y'all, we finished up the food, man. It is all gone. This is gonna be the end of the POV. It was kind of calm, kind of chill, but I got another banger for y'all tomorrow, so stay tuned. Peace.